in your day? Well, maybe. Time doesn't exist, at least not the way you think it does. And I'm going to prove it to you in 3 experiments that you can do right now. This chocolate bar is aging. Right now, it's getting older, moving through time. But what if I told you that this chocolate bar is aging at a different rate than a chocolate bar on the floor? Because of physics. Let me show you. This chocolate is on the floor. This chocolate is 6 feet higher. According to Einstein's general relativity, the chocolate up here is experiencing time faster than the chocolate on the floor. Not by much, it's nanoseconds, but still, it's real. Einstein showed that mass curves space-time itself. Think bowling ball and a trampoline. The chocolate on the floor is deeper in Earth's dent in space-time. And here's the math. For every meter of elevation, clocks tick faster by about 1.1 times 10 to the negative 16th seconds per second. Tiny, but measurable. In fact, atomic clocks are so precise that if you raise one by 33 centimeters, about a foot, scientists will actually be able to tell the time difference. GPS satellites, they're 20,000 kilometers up. So their clocks tick faster than ours by about 45 nanoseconds per day. If we didn't correct for relativity, our GPSs would be off by miles within days. Time isn't this universal river that's flowing the same for everyone. It's flexible, bendy, and local. Here's experiment 2. When you're brushing your teeth in the morning or watching water boil, time flies completely different, right? 2 minutes brushing your teeth flies by, and 2 minutes waiting for water to boil is eternal. Your brain doesn't have a clock. It constructs a feeling of time based on how much new information is being processed. This happens in your hippocampus and striatum, areas that encode memories and process duration. When you're in a novel situation, your brain actually fires off more neurons, encoding denser memories. Researchers actually tested this. They had people fall backwards and estimate how long they were falling for. Everyone overestimated by 36%. Fear and novelty make your brain record in slow motion. So when you remember it, it feels like it lasted longer than it did. Boring, repetitive tasks, your brain compresses them. New and exciting experiences, your brain expands them, laying out more memories. That's why childhood felt infinite, and last year felt like 3 weeks. You're experiencing fewer new things, so your brain is editing time. 3rd experiment. Close your eyes for 10 seconds. Did time still exist for you when you weren't processing sensory information? Or did you just jump forward? Time isn't a dimension that we move through. Something our brains created to make sense of change. This chocolate didn't age. Its molecules changed state, and we call it time passing. Think about that next time you check the clock.